Hello, Professor. This is my presentation for my final project. My final project is about the Teresa Catholic School. This is my report, and I will include these items into my presentation: executive summary and goals and scope, methodology, and the website and the content evaluation, recommendations, and the conclusion and appendix into my this presentation. Teresa Catholic School offers pre-elementary and elementary education for kids aging from 3 to 14. They are aimed to pass on the Catholic faith and values. We are immersing the student with a Christ-centered environment. This school serves the Belleville community in Illinois. Okay, this is the goals I will. This is the goals for this report. The first one is assess the current website homepage, set structures and content according to the relevant metrics. And the second one is I will do a very thorough content inventory to find out how effective the existing website and the content are, and there's last one I will give some recommendations for the website and the content. Well, the scope, basically this is a very pretty small website, so I will evaluate all the content. I will almost include all the content into my report. Well, the methodology, which I can methodology or principles that I will go to apply into my evaluation. The first one is content inventory. The second one is web design principles. The third one is user experience principles. Well, for my evaluation, I will review this website from homepage, set structure, and content. These three parts. And the first parts, I'm going to evaluate its homepage according to homepage functions. We can also call it metrics that I will go to that I used to evaluate its homepage. The first one is conveying the value proposition. The second one is establish site credibility, and the third one is giving an overview of this website. Well, when I was trying to find the value proposition, I found it was included in the About Us, which is located at the very bottom of this homepage, which is the its value proposition is by passing on the Catholic faith and values. We're immersing the students with a Christ-centered environment. This is this school's value proposition. This is a unique advantage to compete with their competitors. The second one is for the value proposition, I cannot find it a very conspicuous place of the homepage, which is this value proposition is where it's located at very bottom of this website and the homepage. And the second function of the homepage is establish site structures, establish site credibility. Well, I found these mm, three three points can support, which are very supportive for establishing site credibility. The first one is on-campus life galleries, which is definitely useful. And the second one is Twitter integration, and the last one is event calendar, the student life, which are very supportive for establish credibility. And the last one is give an overview of this website. Up to this point, we can the users we can find users can find the top categories, which 7 categories, which are useful and give a basic overview of this website. As to the site structures, I will evaluate this its site structures from information architecture and navigation. These are the labels which I can find in this website manuals, and this is the site structure, which is very normal and very clear and very easy to catch for users, easy to follow. So the set information architecture set is good. It's very normal and pretty good. And for the taxonomies, which is the 7 major categories, should be more clear, but right now it's not very clear, not perfect enough. And the navigations, I found a lot of problem about navigation. The first one is hover menu. This website uses hover menus, which can destroy mobile user experience. And the second one is labels. There are some labels are very not clear and ambiguous, which when the users find the label, they cannot predict what they will might what content it is. And the second one is there's no search. The third one is there's no search bar in this homepage or in this website. What if somebody coming for the particular PDF form? They can, if there is a search bar, they can easily find the information they need. And the last one is they didn't provide some location for a direction for the users, which they should highlighting users location. Recommendations for the homepage. The first one is put the value proposition on the conspicuous place of the homepage, and the second one is recategorize the major categories. The third one is give up the hover menu and adopt other type of menus which can improve user experience. And next one is give users a clear direction, which the website should rethink about the label names, which can help users to predict what the content it will be. And add the search bar. The next one is our search bar to the top of homepage for the particular information that user need to find. And the last one is highlight users location, which can help users avoid getting lost. The content, for the content part, I adopt the metrics that the from Harvard label tag, which is the creating valuable content checklist. The for the content, is the content findable, readable, understandable, actionable, and shareable? For the findable part, it is very technical, such as the H1 tag, H2 tag, the metadata, and the alt text for the image. For this part, I find some free online tools to get through reports which can support my research. For the H1, H2 tag, I found the SEO site checkup report, and the metadata, I found the metadata tag report, and the last one, alt tag for images. I found the alt data for images report. Tools, which these three tools are free. And also, I will include my these reports at my Turnitin in folder. And for the readable point, I will audit the whole website, and I will include my audit form into my final project folder too. Let me explain this. The red mark means they did this item, and the wrong mark, which means they don't, they never did anything about this. They, such as numbered list, they never use the numbered list in the whole website. And look at the understandable, which is good, but the actionable and the shareable, they need some improvements. And the main recommendation for the content is the first one. From the technical perspective, they need to take the SEO into consideration to improve search visibility and findability. And the second one is to improve the readability. They should use number lists. And the third one is give our users a reason to share, because now it is the web 2.0 age, not web 1.0 age. In the information age, we need to, this is a two-way relationship, not one-way relationship, information ages. And the fourth one is to integrate social media, which can improve your, you can use hashtags and mentions to make conversations with users and the school. And conclude, this website is doing not bad on content performance, but they need some possible improvements, especially from technical perspective. This is my appendix, which I will include all my reports and forms into my Turnitin folders. Okay, thank you.